Welcome to the Basic Techie tutorial. This is the login page. Let's type down our credentials and then press sign in. On the left bar, let's check our registered sites. For this tutorial, we are using this one. Through your username on the right side, we have light and dark themes to pick from. Also, we can log out through here. For this tutorial, we shall use the light theme. We can show or hide the bar by clicking on the 3 lines here. We can create a new folder. Let's call this one sample folder. Select a security level that determines who can have access to it, and then create. We can see the orange progress bar on top. We can upload new files by pressing upload here, then drag and drop our files here. To upload the files once you have given a description, etc., you need to press the upload button. For a single upload operation, we have a maximum file limit. To search for a specific folder or file, let's click on search, and then let's type test for this one. We can see that it picked any file or folder that has the word test in its name or description. This is a status legend. It's a color-coded panel to guide on current file or folder status, including process, visibility, and access. Here we can check the file count, how much space we have used, storage limit, how much space we have left, and when was the last time storage was updated. We can refresh the status by clicking here. Here we can see our current site data, each file size, description, and status. We can get the options available for each file by clicking on the 3 dots here. We have ID, download, edit, move or check security access. Let's get to the interesting part. We can view our data on the map by clicking on this slider button and then view. We might need a second to let it load. The stack icon on the right can allow us to change between map and satellite view. Also, to show or hide the file that we chose earlier. We can zoom in by clicking the plus icon, or zoom out by clicking the minus icon, or go full screen by using the picture icon. We can easily locate ourselves within 5 meters by using GPS devices like mobile phones, by using the blip icon here. We can measure the distance from here, and then draw a line. Double-click on the last node to finish the path as follows. From this icon, we can create a new measurement by dropping 2 points, and it will measure the distance between them directly. Drop 3 points or more, and it will provide you with a polygon area and perimeter. Double-click to finish the polygon measurement. We can view files that are KML, KMZ, JPEG, PDF, OBJ files. The best part is the ability to stack as many files as we want and then pick view. Give it a second to load all the files. Then click on the stacks icon on the right. Here we have all the files that we have picked. We can view as many of them as needed. Each of these icons has all its data saved and could be shown by just clicking on them. We can simply reset our selection of overlays to view. Thank you for watching.